Hello everyone, this is Sumit Krishna and I welcome you all to India Drone Academy. Today, we will talk about what is a BIM and how the use of drones in construction has enhanced this BIM process. So first, let's discuss what is a BIM. BIM is an acronym, stands for Building Information Model. It is a kind of project management technique which allows architects, engineers, contractors, and the other construction professionals to plan, design, and construct a structure or a building within one 3D model. Previously, blueprints and the drawings used to convey information about building plans. Next came the era of CAD that helped the drafters to see the design plans in a digital environment. And now, the BIM is a standard in construction industry. And BIM is far more than just a 3D model. Let's talk about the role of drones in BIM process. Drones nowadays have become extremely cost-effective method to scan a site or an asset and transform it in a digital 3D model. This 3D model can be easily connected to BIM tools, further allowing construction professionals to use them for their project work. There are many benefits of integrating drones with BIM, as it brings accuracy in the project data, allows better visual representation, streamlines the communication among the project stakeholders, and supplements the 3D model with real-time updates. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on drones. Have a great day.